Planning a family getaway can be exciting, but knowing if Orlando is expensive for a family trip in 2026 helps you budget smartly. Wherever you're watching from, these tips will give you a clear picture of costs and how to maximize your family fun without overspending. But before we start, drop your city or country below. 5. Choose affordable dining options. Orlando has countless family-friendly restaurants offering budget meals. Try local favorites like pizza by the slice or Cuban sandwiches, which are delicious yet wallet-friendly. Many spots also provide kids' menus and outdoor seating for a relaxed family experience. 4. Look for package deals on attractions. Theme parks often offer discounted multi-day passes or combo tickets. Enjoy rides at Universal Studios or Disney World while saving money. Take advantage of meal deals or snack bundles inside the parks to keep your daily expenses lower. Do you want to visit these destinations on a budget? Check the description for the best rates I found on flights, hotels, and activities. 3. Stay in value resorts or vacation rentals. Families can save significantly by choosing budget hotels or rental homes with kitchens. Enjoy a morning breakfast at your accommodation before heading out and explore nearby parks or shopping areas without spending heavily on transportation. 2. Take advantage of free or low-cost activities. Parks like Lou Gardens and Lake Eola provide beautiful, ticket-free spots for walking and relaxing. Kids can enjoy playgrounds, swan boats, and splash pads, while parents snap memorable photos. Nearby street food offers tasty, affordable options, keeping the outing budget-friendly. These parks combine scenic beauty, fun activities, and local flavors, making them ideal for family-friendly adventures without spending much. 1. Plan your visit during off-peak seasons. Avoiding holidays and peak summer months reduces both lodging and attraction costs. You can enjoy quieter parks, shorter lines, and discounted rates. Include small treats like an ice cream from a local parlor to make the day special without overspending. By understanding these costs and planning smartly, a family trip to Orlando in 2026 can be both fun and affordable. Managing meals, tickets, and accommodations wisely ensures everyone has a great experience without financial stress. If you want more honest, practical travel insights for families, subscribe now and make every trip smoother and more enjoyable.